So you're making nice long transitions from one lane to the other.
Yeah.
And your speed management's good. So here you're reestablishing your following distance. It doesn't take long to establish a following distance because everyone else is going faster. So right about here you have about 6 seconds. Now this is what it looks like at this speed. We're going to be taking this exit over here.
Sure.
Nice, good.
And it had a yellow saying 30. That means I don't actually have to go down to 30, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
That's
you just go to
suggestion.
Yeah, it's more for the transports. They have a higher center of gravity. They can tip over easy. You go according to the road conditions.
Right.
Today it's just wet. If it was slippery, then of course, yeah, you bring it down to.
Yeah.
Just want to give the examiner a nice, comfortable, safe ride, right?
Right.
Just like you're driving your grandmother. That depends, though.
Yeah, which for me, it's like, why am I driving my grandmother any different from the way I drive myself? My life matters as well. Right?
Yeah, exactly. Right on. Good.
I like when people had the sticker at the back says, we got adults on car, we want to live too. It's like, why do
Here,
people...
stay in this lane.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Yeah. So I just want to let you know that when you're coming off the ramp, bring your speed up to 80. 60 begins just down the road here a little bit.
Oh. Right. So. Okay.
See here. By the time you get to this sign, you should be at 60. Okay.
That's why this
We'll make a left lane change.
Been so hard to drive.
Okay, because if you're going too slow, then you're not matching the speed of the traffic around you.
Yeah. That's why.
And another left lane change. We're going to turn left at the lights here. There's 2 panels, 2 lanes to make a left turn. Right behind the white car. That's my preference.
Sure.
Keep your signal on. Yeah. Staying on this side of the white line. Perfect. And if there was any traffic here, you have the right of way. They would have to yield to you, right?
But I still need to look at them and pay attention.
Yeah, just to make sure they don't come flying out of there. Exactly.
Right.
And then after coming off of a highway at 80, 60, this is now 50. So just be very careful about your speed.
Yeah, I usually find this part easy because there's usually traffic in front of me. Then I find it easy following people. I know a lot of people hate following people. I love it. It's just easy. I just need to keep the distance and that's it. I don't actually have to keep looking at what's the speed limit and everything.
Yeah.
But that's just me.
No, I get that. Everyone loves to travel in clusters, like in packs, right? I prefer to be back here. It allows me to manage my speed a little bit better.
Yeah.
I can see what's going on better. And it gives me a time to check my surroundings.
Exactly. And for me, most importantly, if anything happens in the front, that guy's going to respond first.
Yeah.
If he doesn't respond, then it's not my problem.
Let's make a left lane change. And we're going to turn left at the lights. I'll show you when to cut in here. So you could put your left signal on, but stay in this lane for a second. The last 3 yellow broken lines. Go ahead. Check your blind spot. Excellent.
Right.
Yeah, perfect. Take possession of the intersection. You can bring that last line to your shoulder. Right here.
Shoulder.
Yeah, keep your wheels straight.
Oh, keep wheels straight first.
Yeah. And yellow. Go ahead. Yeah. So if it turns yellow, you're committed to complete your left turn.
Okay.
Because you've already taken possession of the control of the intersection.
Right.
We're going to go up to the stop sign there. We'll make a right turn.
Sure. That's also one of the things that's completely new to me.
Okay. I'm going to go through that with you then too.
Yeah. That'd be great.
So we'll make a right turn here. All ways. That means there's 4 stop signs here. Your stops are nice. I'm feeling a little kickback in my seat, which is evidence that you've come to a full stop. if the examiners don't feel that slight little kickback in their seat, they're going to think you're rolling. And then once you feel that little kickback in your seat, then you're checking. I've noticed that you're checking left and right. That's great. You're sweeping that intersection.
Yeah, I do drive very conservatively.
Yeah.
Like I actually, oops, nope, there is no stop sign. I actually do drive like that normally.
Yeah, I could, you know, I'm perfectly comfortable in the car with you, so.
Great, that's the good news.
And in these road conditions, this is an appropriate speed.
Yeah,
it is 50 unless otherwise posted, but then you go according to the road conditions.
Yeah.
So this is good. We're going to make a right turn at the stop sign.
Sure.
You want to do another round?
Yeah.
Okay.
If we have time.
Yeah, we got 30 minutes.